Yo, hope everybody's 2022 is off to a good start so far, working towards some goals, milestones, or whatever it is you guys might have set for yourselves. Hope everything is going good for you. I know I didn't post a video since last week. I was a bit under the weather. Not COVID, I swear. Just with this temperature goes up and down. It'll be 60 degrees one day and then in the teens the next, and it just got me all messed up through here and through everything, you know what I mean? And of course, my job with year-end close has just been very, very hectic. So I really ain't have no time to get to y'all to the weekend. So here I am. But I swear, I'm still here. I'm still here. So today's video is a little bit different. I'm going to be showing off new accessory that I got that I hope will elevate the channel a little bit, help me connect with y'all more often and just get more content to you guys in a timely manner. It's something that I've been wanting to pick up actually even before I started this channel, just something to have to take with me whenever I'm out and about. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, you got me a GoPro 9. So I picked this up at Costco over the weekend. It's actually on sale and it's a bundle. I think it's exclusive to Costco, so you might need a membership just to walk in the store basically. I know you do. Or at least, grab your moms, grab your friend, grab somebody, to go pick this up. And actually it comes with more stuff than when you buy it on its own, like say from Best Buy, Target, wherever. It actually comes with more stuff and you save more money this way. So when I saw it on sale when I walked in, I was like, probably a good time to buy it. So yeah, we're gonna be doing an unboxing on this, see everything that's included with it, get it all set up, get some driving footage, see how that turns out, and let's get to it. All right, y'all, as I mentioned, we have the GoPro Hero 9 here. Few specs at the bottom: 20 megapixels, 5K at 30 frames per second, does 4K at 60 frames per second, 1080p live streaming. And like I said, this is a Costco bundle, so these are the extras that it actually comes with. Comes with the stick, SD card, extra battery, and a carrying case. And lets you know you got it at Costco, technical support, and all that good stuff. And everything that it comes with. Like I said, this differs from the regular box when you buy it on its own at a different store, So let's see what's inside. Okay, now that I got the box ripped open, let's see what is in here. Oh, so we put everything in this bag to begin with. So let's see what it's holding. Okay, so everything is in there really nice and organized. You see the main event right here, the star of the show. Pretty nice. Oh, nice size screen on the back and the front, so you can actually see yourself when you're recording, which is pretty dope. And the reason I opted for the Hero 9, I know the Hero 10 is out, was basically this one is cheaper. You know what I mean? This is not going to be my everyday camera. This doesn't replace what I'm using now, which is my phone, which I think takes great quality videos and pictures, obviously. But this is more just for in-car vlogging, like I said, when I'm on the go, just to help me record more often and do more vlogging without having to worry about stopping and recording anything. I know this is still going to be really good quality. This is definitely a step up from the Hero 8 if you want to make that jump. And I do want a standalone camera, like a mirrorless DSLR in the future, but for now I wanted this, like I said, just to be more compact to get more footage out to you guys. So let's see what else is in here. We got batteries. Now, like I mentioned, with the Costco pack, you actually get an additional battery, which is always nice because I know these things love to use up juice, right? I think I'll need a separate charger if I want to, charge them both at the same time overnight. This must be to put on the dash somewhere. It's 3M. I'm not going to undo that right now. So we got our batteries. And then our accessories, if you want to put this on anything such as suction cup, things like that. I know I've seen it before. If you want to put on the outside of the car or on the window, this basically helps to connect to the camera, which is still wrapped up. And let's see. Oh yeah. Also comes with a floating handle, which is pretty cool as well. GoPro branded. Looks like you are all ready to go. So yeah, it's a little tripod. Yep. Little tripod. It's pretty cool. Very small. This is not tall at all. I don't even think this would be level with much. But if you want to have it on the go like that for more stabilization, it's there if you need it. Charging cable. Definitely need that. And I believe this is our SD card. Yep. SD card. This is only 64 gig. I do have 128 gigabyte that I'll be using. And I assume manual. Yep. Manual that I get to go through. So that's actually a cool little package, man. You get it all in one. You know, if you need a camera just to get you going, comes with everything that you need, basically. And I also picked this up at Best Buy. This is a suction cup that I was talking about. This will help stick it to the windshield instead of just having it on the dash. They didn't have the GoPro brand, so I opted for the Joby. I'm going to see how this one works. If I don't like it, I can return it. And I'll just order the GoPro online or something like that. Like I said, went to Best Buy right after Costco. They were kind of cleaned out, I'm thinking, because of the holidays and stuff like that. The inventory was a little low. But I'm going to see how this works once we do this driving footage. And once I figure out how to get this all set up. And I'm really looking forward to that. Like I said, this is going to be fun. Yeah. This will definitely be fun. So yeah, that's everything so far. I'm going to figure out how to get this all situated, get the settings right, have it looking good in the car, make sure everything is stable. And we'll definitely get that driving footage in just a few moments, y'all. All right, y'all. First time trying out this GoPro. Hopefully I got it set up right. Kind of hard to tell. I mean, it has a screen on the front, but, you know, showing up crisp or whatever. So let's see how this goes. Give y'all a cold start. Chilly. So the reason I'm trying it out with the Camaro is because just how loud and rowdy it is. You know, it's obnoxious, obviously. I mean, I love it, but it's rowdy and it's real bumpy. I want to see how it does with this this Joby, because I heard it can have some issues as far as, you know, being too shaky. I can kind of see the camera vibrating a little bit. So I'm just getting some regular footage. Just do this to the U-turn in the middle of the freaking road. Okay, this is how we doing, buddy. It's a nice day out though. But yeah, like I said, I just wanted to get this to do more like on the go vlog style, since I'm you know, like I said, always out and about, and it'll just make it easy to get content out to y'all, whether it's, you know, random thoughts or just answering questions on the go. Maybe I see something out and about, because I'm always seeing stuff out and about, right? And you know, like I said, just getting more footage and more content for everybody, make things more interesting. Just get, you know, just shake it up a little bit rather than just floating around with a camera. I think that'll be a little bit more interesting for sure. So far this camera is pretty cool. I can't really complain about it. You know, like I said, I got it on discount. I know a lot of people use them for the same reason, kind of that vlog style. So this car needs a retune so bad. My fuel pump went out like about a year ago or so, and it's just been funky ever since. I had a tune done locally, but my tune and everything that's on here was done out of state, and it's kind of a hassle to go back and get it done again. But I think I might just chunk it up and go back to him, because I just don't like the way it sounds. Like the exhaust just sounds so crazy. I'm not a fan of it, but hey, what are you gonna do? Yeah, I want to test this thing out. I want to see how it is before I do like a whole vlog or whatever. And if it needs any sort of tweaks or adjustments, I can get that done. You know, like I said, it's kind of on the fly adjustment. So It is what it is, man. I'm just going around seeing what it do. And like I said, it's a nice day, so I'm just driving around. I'm driving around like on bumpy roads on purpose just to see how this camera reacts, because it's bumps everywhere. So got to be prepared for any and all conditions, right? And also the sound. Like I said, this car, it has a lot of noise to it, inside and out. And it's nice to be able to use my phone too. I mean, I don't text while I drive. I'm a pretty hands-free person, which is why I didn't want to hold my phone while vlogging. I know some people do it. I don't. Turn that copyright off real quick. I'm about to turn in here real quick. I just want to make a little U-turn. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just going around in circles. Okay. Woo. Unnecessary, bro. You know what that office is right there. This car needs a tune bad, man. I am gonna do some more stuff to it, but like I said, I might just have to drag it up to where I got everything done at originally and just get it all taken care of there, because I don't know, this is I don't like it, man. Don't like it. But I like the camera. I like to be able to, you know, vlog on the go. That's a nice change, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, y'all, made it back to the crib. Like I said, just a test run. I don't think this camera do too good in low light. I don't think any of them really do, but that's cool. I'll usually be out in daylight when I'm doing these vlogs, whenever I'm running around doing this or that, you know. So we'll see how this one turns out. I'm looking forward to doing more. Obviously, now I got something that's more convenient that can travel with me, so it's gonna be real fun, just talking non-stop stuff, you know. But as always, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, and until next time, peace.